guys! Happy weekend! It's Saturday today, Peter, yeah? No school? No school?
Yes.
What are you making?
Rock cake.
Wow, rock cake. So Peter will be baking with Daddy. Let's fix the camera for you.
Mommy, is this the right?
Hmm?
Is this one okay?
What?
This one is the eraser. X-ray. This was this.
This one.
Peter, take this one. You got to put the pressure on the thing, yeah? You got to put it all in all these ones, okay?
Okay.
Put it in each one. Okay, just a bit like that. And the next one. Okay, you do all of them. Okay? Good, good.
Okay. Meaning for the egg.
This egg? This is margarine.
That's not an egg. That's margarine.
Okay, Daddy, do this one for you. Actually, this is non-stick, so it should be okay anyway.
Should be okay. One stick, I'm
Yeah.
sure.
But-
How many holes are there, Peter? Can you read? Can you say to people? I think that's 24. You only need 12, yeah?
No, no. Because these are the small size, we need 24. You got 36 here.
Oh, okay.
Oh, no, you haven't.
No, that's 24.
24, yeah, 24, yeah.
So that's perfect.
So 24 small ones, but normally this would be 6 big ones. Okay, good. You help Daddy as well. Okay. What's the first thing you need then, Peter? First thing we need is the...
Egg.
No, what's this?
Sugar.
Not sugar. It's the
Flour.
flour. So you put the flour in
You
here.
wanna help?
Yes.
Yeah.
Hold it then.
You need the bigger one.
Hawakan mo. Woo!
In it goes. Okay. And
Shake.
hang on. And we also. Oh, hang on. What's going to put this one in?
Cinnamon.
What's this?
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon and.
And
So that's 200 grams of flour, of self-raising flour. We've got
Cinnamon.
1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ginger, and a little bit of salt.
this
Okay.
one.
Okay, then you do the
You go
shaking.
shaky.
Shaky, shaky. Oh, good shaky, shaky. Very good. Shaking all over the place.
Not on your hand,
Not your
Kuya.
hand. Just did like that. Shaky, shaky,
Yeah,
shaky.
that one. Tap.
Tap, tap, tap.
Woo.
Oh,
Woo!
very good. Okay, so it's the 200 grams of self-raising flour. Oh no, don't cheat.
Don't tip.
Good like that. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ginger, a little bit of salt, and that's now all been sifted nicely. Okay, we might need a bit more flour later.
This one.
No, not sugar now. Now we need this one. What's this one?
Margarine.
Margarine. Okay, that's 100 grams of margarine. Okay, put it in.
I'm gonna do it.
Okay, then mix it in. Okay, mix it all in with your hands. And, oh, make sure your sleeves are up. Okay, good. Mix it all in nicely. What are you doing, Peter?
I think this one has.
Mixing it all in, are you?
What's in your hand?
You gotta mix it all in really nicely. So it's
Rub
got-
it, rub it.
So it looks
Then
like.
you got hands.
Yeah, I'm helping. Can I help? Okay, keep going. You got to make it so it looks like breadcrumbs.
Wow. You got the skill.
Yeah.
You can be a baker, like mommy
Or Daddy.
or daddy.
Especially Mummy. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, this is the recipe which my mother taught me. I've been making since I was about,
Oh God.
Peter's age, I think.
Yes, and then.
Okay, luckily fell in the,
Is that Dorothy's recipe?
well, from her old cookbook. Yeah. Right, that's what we're going to put in next. We're going to put in this one. What's this one?
Sugar.
Yeah, 100 grams of sugar. In it goes. Okay, mix that in. Keep mixing. Use your hands. And what's this?
Banana.
Do you know what this one is?
Chips.
That's not chips.
Raisin.
That's raisin. And that
That's
one
nut.
is,
Nut.
yeah, that's. So we've got
Raisin and
100 grams of mostly raisins, or can be sultanas or currants, but mostly raisins and just a little bit of nuts for a change. Yeah, mix it in, mix it all in.
You do. Oh, look at that hand. He has a skill.
Yeah. Okay, all the way
I'm
to the
so
bottom.
proud of you, Peter.
All the way to the bottom. Okay, all the way. And mix it all in nicely. Okay, good. All right. Okay, what's next? Next is the
Egg.
egg. Okay, so Daddy
Can you break an egg? Oh my god.
First time he's done this.
First time.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh, hang on. Let Daddy help. Okay. You got it with you. Sure. Okay, put your fingers in.
Break
Put
it.
your
Break
finger
it.
in.
You have to break it.
Whoa! Okay. Okay, try and keep the... Don't put too much shell in. It's a rock cake, not a shell cake. Okay, well done. Okay, mix it all in now. Yeah. Okay, I don't think there's any shell in. Well done, Peter. You did a good job.
Okay, masa, bilis na.
Gotta mix it all in.
Mixy. Look at the face. He's having fun.
What do you want to tell the people? What do you want to say to everybody watching?
We makes.
We make.
The mix, yeah. Making a rock cake mix. Okay. No, don't get it on the table. You got to keep mixing. Should Daddy help a bit? Or you gonna?
No.
Okay, you do it then. Yeah, you're doing
And
good.
then
Get that bit
And
there.
then what's next?
Got to make a big ball now. Can you make it into a big ball? Put it all together to make one big ball.
You're really good.
Okay, well that's the basic recipe. Things like the ginger or the cinnamon that's extra. Same with the nuts. But I think it makes it taste a bit nicer. Okay, shall Daddy help you make a ball? And give me your hands, and then we're going to make it the little balls. But first, let Daddy make a big ball, shall I?
okay.
Let Daddy make a big ball first. Okay. So
Me.
oh, okay. That's not a ball. Right, here we go. Here's the
It's creepy sense.
battle of the bakers, I think. Yeah. Okay. All right, nearly there. What's that? I think we might need a bit more flour. Can you put a bit more flour in, please, darling? It's a bit sticky.
Is it sticky?
Yes, that's right. You show your hands to the camera. Yeah, can they see the camera? Very sticky. Okay, that might be enough. Let's try. Okay, put it back in here, Peter.
It's creepy sense.
Okay. Now we're still mixing.
What's this for?
That's what I was hoping to put the dough once it's ready. Okay.
Peter, there's lots of cake in the table now.
Luckily the table's very clean. Okay, put it here. Inside. Alright. Okay, good done. Well done, big boy. Okay. Let me take the stuff off your hands. Okay.
I need to wash my hands.
No, let me take it off first.
Hang on.
Let me
Take
it
it
off.
out first,
Give it
don't
today.
waste.
Give it today first. And then you wash your hands and then you come back. And I'll give Daddy a chance to make into a ball. Okay, go and wash your hands nice and clean. Hopefully. Well, Master Chef Peter is away. I can try, oh dear. I can try and make this into a ball. So, hopefully, should end up looking a bit like that. Okay, there you go. Put that back here, and let's go back to Peter. Okay, Peter, can you cut in half?
Okay.
Cut in half the knife. Okay, watch your fingers.
Mind your fingers.
Okay, that's half and half. Okay, put it halfway. Okay, no, hang on. You're now going to put it on half again. Put it that way. Cut. Now watch your fingers. Go.
Mind your fingers.
Okay.
I need wee.
Okay, you go for wee wee with me then. I'll keep cutting while you do that. Always a problem when you're cooking is when you need a wee wee. Okay. Okay, so this one here is going to be 3. This one's going to be 3. This one's going to be 3 intervals. So when Peter comes back, we're going to roll these up. Maybe put them here. Getting the next one ready. Okay, again, 1, 2, 3. Roll up. Watch your hands. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then take this one back again. 1, 2, 3. Hang on. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, nearly there.
Nearly there.
I'm just going to cut this one in half. Watch your fingers. That one. No, not yet, not yet, not yet. Then we're going to do 1. Okay, pick it up, pick that one up.
I cannot do it.
Okay, no, take the whole thing, all of that. I mean, that one is all. No, that's too small. Yeah, take that one, take that one. Yeah, all together. Oh no, not. Okay.
You take the big one.
Okay, I took the
I
big
take
one.
the small one.
Like this. Roll it like this. We're going to put it in here. Okay, you put yours in there. Okay, you put yours. Put yours in here. Okay, next one.
This one.
Look at where show the baby one. Show the baby one.
Run it.
Here's the baby one.
Okay, put it back. Put the baby one back in. Okay, roll that one.
You have to make it the same shape, same size, Peter.
Okay, all these. Okay, well let's see. We're gonna have one very tiny one at the end. Right here. That's a nice technique. There. Oh, hello.
There you go.
And that one. Okay, next plate. Mummy, can we have the next plate?
What plate?
This one here.
This one.
Okay. No, roll it first. Rolly.
Do you need to preheat the oven?
It's heating already.
Oh, you
Oven's
preheat.
heating at just under 200 degrees
Here.
centigrade, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, these are mini ones, so these don't take too long to cook, so it'll be only about maybe 12 minutes, 15 minutes to cook, but we'll keep an eye on them. I'm a bit worried about that mini one. That mini one might be cooked a little bit fast.
I can't wait for that. I'm gonna have it with my tea.
Or the mini one.
I think we're gonna give that to Felix, the baby one. You got to roll it.
Let's
Anna.
roll this one.
Roll it.
You roll that one.
Make it a ball.
Okay,
make a
roll this
ball.
one.
Roll.
Okay.
Yes. Wow. We're gonna have a tea. We're gonna
sure?
have a snack.
Want to show?
Yaki some say no chapa fasa tahat fasa tahat
Okay, well, we
Yeah.
were counting Cantonese.
tahat fasa
Yay! High five! Right.
You wanna say thank you to people?
Okay, people.
Okay, I'm going to
Thank
put
you
this in
for
the oven.
watching.
Keep an eye on that small baby one, and we will show you what comes out in about 10-15 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
Look at my hands. It's all sugar. Look at my hands. Look at my hands. Look at my hands.
Oh yes. Can you sing a song for them? Can you sing a song for them?
12 minutes. Are you going to sing the song?
Are you gonna sing a song? Okay, go.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
Do you have any Cantonese song?
Y, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I, A, B, C.
Can you boil the kettle for me, Daddy? Please, thanks.